Pause a moment. Did you know there's an animal that can survive being frozen in space? Yeah. This tiny creature is called the tardigrade. And scientists say it might be the toughest creature on Earth. It's smaller than a grain of sand, but this thing can survive volcano-level heat, deadly radiation, and pressure so intense it would crush a human instantly. But here's where it gets insane. When a tardigrade is about to die, it basically shuts its entire body down. No water, no food, no oxygen. It curls into a tiny ball called a ton state and can stay like that for decades. Then suddenly, add water, and it comes back to life like nothing happened. Scientists even blasted tardigrades into outer space without protection, and some of them survived. Wait, what? Imagine discovering a creature so powerful that even space can't kill it. And here's the creepy part. If animals this indestructible already exist on Earth, what else haven't we discovered yet? Follow for more animal facts that sound completely fake, but are actually real.